Omega Chopper Company. Let's find out what it takes to kill one. Just clean out. Come on back. All right, here we go. We're just going to clean out the buzzsaw. We're going to use controllers. We're just going to kill what we have to kill. Come on. There we go. Whatever will kill you, you get rid of it. I use 4 controllers. Try to take out only what's necessary, and I'll kill the rest. Okay, where are you going? You got one here. After a while, you see where the different things are located. You know where to kill them. You only kill what can hurt you. The rest you can kill with your chopper. I don't let them get much damage. That way they're easy to repair. Biggest thing to get rid of is these guys right here, because they will engage your chopper. They'll make it difficult on you. So clean them out, and they're just a distraction. They won't hurt your chopper, but they're a distraction, and they make it so that some of these other things will. So I just clean them out. Buzzsaws will do a number, and they really won't. Oh, who's shooting at me? Oh, okay, I see who you are. Let's kill that tank before he kills us. All right. Whoever shoots you, shoot them. And it should be enough. All right. Now we're just going to bring in our chopper. Oh, he's not completely healed. All right. I did a couple other ones. Usually he's healed, but doesn't matter. He's not going to get a lot of damage. Now we're just going to slowly start killing stuff. So take your time. He will clean stuff out for you. Got to get in position to kill him. Now we got to get him. You should get him. There you go. All right. Just clean the stuff as you go. Now we just want to engage and get this guy. If they don't shoot, you're just out of range. Just got to get a little bit closer. You want to kill him. Just move your chopper just a little bit. When he gets within range, you'll take him out. All right. Now just get within range, take stuff out. If nothing's dying, you just got to move up just a little bit, just to get within range. Okay, now there's really nothing that can hurt us over here, so we just clean out some of this stuff. Biggest thing you want to kill is whatever will kill you, kill it first. Once you get over here, it starts to attack a bunch of things, so you got to be real careful as to where you go. Let's go over here and clean this stuff out, because this guy's a pain in the butt. He will just distract you. So let's just take our time. Go get him. Go get him. Okay, see, he's just out of range. You got to get a little bit closer. When he gets out of range, he'll take damage, but he won't kill anything. So you just get him within range. Don't be in a hurry. When you're not in a hurry, you can do a lot of damage. Damage to them, not damage to you. As long as you're patient, it's really an easy base to kill. Okay, something got our attention. Everybody started jumping over there. When that happens, you're going to get damaged, so you got to be careful. Just get within range. Just watch your major chopper. Long as he doesn't move, you're okay. When he starts moving, you know you're going to get damage. Okay, see, we're out of range. He's just taking damage. So get just a little bit closer and clean all that stuff up. Okay, he's out of range again. Come on, get over there. Okay, we got one more we got to get him. He should get him this time. Got to get the tanks. Just a little bit closer. And get him. Take him out before he takes us out. Ah, you're a pain in the butt. Finally. All right, clean off all these little things. Now we just got to get these guys. What we'll do is we'll engage them with the chopper and we'll kill them with the controllers. All right. Now we'll send in some controllers. Now what we got to do is you got to engage the chopper. Now we're going to bring in some controllers, and the controllers will kill the chopper. Right now we got it engaged. We got to engage the chopper again. Once we engage it, we'll kill it with our controllers. There it is. Ah, 21 seconds. We don't have time. Well, we'll see. We'll get close. We got to run out of time. That's all right. We'll kill it in just a second. We came close. Let's go kill a chopper. See, he's already quite damaged. We'll get these guys in place. We'll bring in our controllers, and they'll be dead in no time. Put them right there. All right, let's engage this bad turkey.